Here are 25 funniest basketball moments. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Steph Curry can be seen eavesdropping on Lonzo Ball and Rajon Rondo's conversation. After that, he pretended like nothing happened. During a post-match interview, a basketball player couldn't keep his eyes off the interviewer, who happened to be very beautiful. Thomas Bryant successfully blocked a shot and in his celebration almost gave a right hook to the referee, which stalled him.
And punctuates it with a backward somersault. Oh, and almost a right hook to the referee.
Yes. Opponents. You can see the reaction there. Almost got the ref.
Defending can be difficult against talented guards, as this Dury University women's player found out with the belly flop onto the hardwood. During March Madness in 2015, Wisconsin player Nigel Hayes was caught telling teammates what he thought of one stenographer attending the team's press conference. It resulted in an embarrassing viral moment.
I want to know, is there anything you'd like to say to our stenographers just to tip things off?
Syzygy.
Okay.
Gosh, he's beautiful. Did you hear that?
Right, so we'll open it up to questions.
Funny man Kevin Hart is a huge NBA fan, but it hasn't stopped him from trolling NBA stars like James Harden post-game. Speaking of ladies getting hit in the face, one of the most iconic moments that blew the internet up was when the basketball hit an elderly woman right in the schnoz, who was busy looking at her phone. Luckily, she wasn't seriously hurt. Will Ferrell was invited to pre-game to shoot a free throw. As it was a promotion of a movie, he was meant to hit a cheerleader in the face. However, the crowd didn't know that and was left stunned. This Warriors fan tried to distract NBA superstar Stephen Curry by making a provocative pose towards him. Arizona Wildcats player Rondae Hollis Jefferson found out just how dangerous dunking a basketball on the fast break can be. It was a slippery situation. One of the most memorable moments in NCAA basketball history came in 1985 when the Indiana Hoosiers played the Purdue Boilermakers. Angered over a technical foul, Indiana coach Bobby Knight went into a rage mode. Basketball player Luka Dante got scared by a person moving who was dressed as a stormtrooper. He initially thought that they were just statues and got startled when he saw one moving. Lance Stevenson was seen blowing into the ear of LeBron James. His reaction was priceless. Giannis Antetokounmpo was in tight position and desperate to pass the ball to his teammates. However, his throw went awfully wrong as the ball accidentally hit James Harden in the face. James Harden was once again hit in the head with the ball, but this time he did it to himself. He smashed the ball onto the ground in frustration and it bounced right back into his face.
And Josh Hart has to worry about the contact. Hart just lost the bat. Oh, at halftime. Right. That was not comfortable.
In a match between Melbourne United and Brisbane Bullets, a girl in the front row was hit by the ball in the face. It was a hilarious moment as everybody laughed it off.
In the front row. Whack! Oh, think about that on NBL overtime, Corey. Oh. Good news is she's okay, Maddie.
Basketball superstar Steph Curry got into a funny situation when he slipped trying to dunk an open basket. If that wasn't funny enough, he airbossed his second attempt to score a point.
Side, you do not want to see this. That is from the maybe precipitation or from the ice.
When the Klay Thompson scored a dunk, GSW dugout elated with celebration, but Stephen Curry embarrassed himself when he took a comedic fumble trying to celebrate. Funniest mascot moments came from the Houston Rockets mascot as he headed into the crowd to slap a cake on an opposing team's fan. Nick Young thought that the ball would go into the basket after shooting a three-pointer and started celebrating, but his joy turned into an embarrassment. Phil Collins was ejected from the stadium. On his way out, he was giving high fives to the crowd and accidentally hit a kid in the face. The kid was startled, which made it much more hilarious. Carlos Boozer got a little too excited after he scored. Right after scoring, he accidentally punched the referee in the groin area. He immediately apologized and the referee left off the situation. New Orleans NBA star Josh Hart was left hanging for a high five by his teammate, which looked pretty awkward for him, so he decided to high five himself and carry on. In order to save the ball going out of bounds, Mike Scott dove into the crowd and drinks a beverage from a woman's cup.
Down the stretch, and then in the playoffs duplicated the production.
Here's McConnell off
One of the teams coming off the bench when Coach Bud was there, but
with a bucket. We got a sixer player, Mike Scott, 3 rows deep here at Fiserv Forum.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.